What if I told you that Google has its own completely free tool that lets you animate any image into a video? No downloads, no subscriptions, no expensive editing tools, just your browser and a free Google account. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Google Vids with Google's VO3 to turn any image into a video for free. Let's get into it. Go to vids.google.com, sign in with your Google account. Once you are inside, Google Vids will show you a pop-up right away asking you to set up your project. The first thing you need to select here is your aspect ratio. You have three options: landscape, portrait and square. Pick whichever one matches where you plan to share your video. In that same pop-up, make sure you select VO3 to power your visuals. Once you have selected your aspect ratio and VO3, you are ready to move forward. Once you are inside the editor, look at the right-hand sidebar. If the VO3 panel is not already open, just click on it from the right-hand sidebar to open it. Now click on the drop-down menu inside the VO3 panel. From the options that appear, select Animate an image. Now click on Add Image. If Google Vids asks for your permission at this point, just click Agree to continue. Now select the image you want to animate on your computer and open it to upload it. Now you will see a text box below your image. This is where you describe what you want to happen in this video. Think about the kind of movement you want, like gentle camera movement, realistic motion, wind effect, cinematic feel, or anything else that fits your image. Once you have typed your description, click on Generate. Google Vids will now animate your image and generate a video clip from it. Once the clip is generated, you can preview it right there to see how it looks. Now here is where things get really impressive. Once you have generated your clip, you do not need to take it to any other editing software. Everything happens right here inside Google Vids. Just click on Insert to place your generated video clip directly onto the Google Vids timeline, and you get a complete video editor in your browser. You can add AI avatars, create AI voiceovers, and use background music. You can also add stock videos, shapes, and text. Need captions? Google Vids can automatically create them for your video. So everything you need to make a professional video is available in one place. Once your video looks good, it is time to download it. Click on File, then Download, and select MP4 Video. Google Vids will process your project and create the final video file. After that, it will automatically download to your computer. And that is it. But your final video may include a VO logo or mark, but you can remove it easily. We have already made a video on how to remove logos or marks from videos. So check our videos page or the link in the description below. So that is Google Vids with VO3. A completely free tool that lets you animate any image into a video and edit everything in the same place without any expensive software. No more switching between multiple tools. No more paying for credits. Just open your browser and create. Now, I want to hear from you. What kind of image are you planning to animate first? A product video, a travel picture, or something else? Comment below and let me know. And did you know Google had a free tool this powerful? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Tweak Library for more free AI tool tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Take care.